Have you been able to figure out a way to automatically apply for jobs? Because I've been kind of stuck with that. Like, I've got him to do it manually, like make the resume and everything.
Uh-huh.
But then I've got it to the point where it kind of like goes through some of the bubbles, but then sometimes it'll miss like little bubbles that should have been obvious, like, oh, what's your address? Or it might get stuck on a different website because it's a different code infrastructure.
It's probably, if it's OpenClaw, it's probably using OpenClaw browser automation. A thing that could be worth trying here is whenever it gets stuck, just try to run it again with the Codex instance. Because from my experience, the Codex browser automation has just the computer use just better than anything else. So if you add a fallback with a Codex browser use, then I think that will at least fix a decent percentage of your issues. So your issues that you're saying sometimes on certain companies' websites, it doesn't like see the box properly or it doesn't put in the information properly?
It doesn't see the box, and then it also doesn't submit for me too. And then sometimes, like, to be more specific, I'll get to one of those job application pages where maybe it's got like 11 continues and 11 different pages you got to fill out instead of just like one page where you fill out all the info and submit. And then it thinks that like that the first page where you type your name just instantly submits a job. And then also it happens on Codex instances too. It's not just on OpenClaw. I eventually moved it over to Codex and I just cloned like a job application repo and kind of just tailored it more for me. But I still get stuck even using Codex CLI or even like Codex web app too.
So this is on a VPS?
VPS and local.
Okay, interesting. If that's the case, then most likely you need the system to be able to kind of learn from itself. Because like some of these issues you mentioned, like, oh, there's not just one page, it needs to go to the next and go to the next. This is like a reoccurring pattern between like other companies as well. If it's not able to figure this out, then it just like on the first time it gets stuck, you can unblock it, but it should not get stuck again the second time, right? This needs to be a system that can improve. So this is part of the automation that you will have to work on. And that could be like at the beginning, it might have to be something manual where every time it gets stuck like this, you unblock it and then you have to say specifically, learn from this, right? Learn from this either by creating a skill or updating your system prompt. Yeah, basically learn from this, it will figure out how to learn from it. The next step to this is having an actual background agent that checks your chat session every time. Like every time a job application is done, it automatically looks at the entire session and sees what can I learn from this and create a skill for this or put it in my long-term memory or update my system prompt, whatever it has to do to remember this for next time. So you need like a self-learning sort of mechanism for the next time. But it has to be a system that gets better over time. Some of these things, like if the browser automation fails on Codex, like computer use, then you're kind of stuck there because that is the best tool for like browser use right now. So you need it to just learn from itself.
Should I maybe try a harness like Hermes since it's kind of built to learn from itself?
I don't know if that's worth it. So in your system here, how difficult it is to like swap out harnesses like that?
Oh, it's like it'll take a minute.
Oh, I see. If that's the case, then I would say yes. Like if you just have a harness agent using Codex, then it will automatically have the skill learning behavior. So you won't even have to implement that.
Okay, I'll try rerunning it on Hermes then, and then just like rewire it to the dashboard. Honestly, Luna 5.6 Max has been like super clutch for stuff like that.
And how often does it get stuck? Browser stuff like that?
Like every time.
Every time? Dude, I feel like there's something wrong with like your infra. It's not normal. Like unless, can you give me an example of a website? Like a company?
Yeah. Like I've rage quit so much, honestly. Like Home Depot, for example, like it'll get stuck.
Bro, like I'm telling you right now, if you open Codex and you like apply to a job on Home Depot right now, like on your local instance, there's no way it gets stuck. Yeah, you can try that right now if you have Codex. Yeah, I'm just saying like if you try that, you can prove that it's either, you know, something wrong with your system or your infra, the harness and the model itself, right? Because if Codex can do that itself, then you know for a fact the Codex harness and also the model is able to do that job. So there's something else within your infra that's fucking that shit up.
I'll probably experiment with it a little bit more then and then get some help with it. Because like it will literally, especially the OpenClaw one, like that one just made me rage quit. Like I'd literally give it all of my information and then it would still get stuck. Like, and then I'd tell it, hey, you literally got stuck on the address when the address is right there in your fucking MD file. Run it again. And then it gets stuck on the same thing, so.
Yeah. Dude, I'm telling you, the OpenClaw sometimes is kind of retarded. In my workflow, I have come to let the harness use another harness. So if it's like Hermes or OpenClaw, I just tell it to actually use like not just GPT, but like use the CLI to spawn a Codex like instance, and then it manages that Codex instance that actually does that shit. Like that's probably what I would do. If you're able to prove that with just by using Codex itself, it's able to do that complete application with no problem, then it's definitely OpenClaw that's fucking shit up right now. So then you have to tell OpenClaw to not do the whole thing by itself, but actually spawn a Codex CLI that does the entire thing through like computer use or browser automation, whatever Codex uses to actually do the thing. Because I'm like 90% sure here it's like OpenClaw fucking your shit up.
Okay, yeah, that's good to know. I'm actually, I'm trying it right now on Codex. So
Yeah.
I told it to apply to a Starbucks near me. Okay, yeah, I'll try that. That's actually interesting though, because I forgot that you could low-key just have it open up a Codex instance inside of OpenClaw.
Yes.
It's kind of crazy. It's like a harness in a harness in a model.
There's gonna be a lot of that happening. If you're a business owner or someone who works at a company and you're not as efficient as you'd like, I'd like to help. I'm live every Sunday on YouTube and Twitch at this time below, answering all your questions about AI and content. So come by and we'll figure out how to help you best where you should start. And if you want more personalized help, I also have a private community you can join where I host weekly calls, whichever one you want. So I hope to see you there next Sunday and we'll figure out how to help you.